It's that time of year again where we sell some of our Jeeps. This year we are selling a 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Rubicon. Check it out. So this is our 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Rubicon Edition Jeep. This particular model has a lot of the bells and whistles in it. So to start, you've got leather seats throughout from the factory with the Rubicon stitching on the back. In the center console, we've got the larger radio navigation system, so it has a larger screen on it. It has an aux port here and a USB adapter as well. These are the controls for the windows. So in the Jeep, they're in the center console because the doors of the Jeep come off. So the controls for the windows are here. You've got your air conditioner control here for how much air you want coming out, plus the recirculation button. You've got the cold and the warmth here, along with the AC button to turn on the AC. And this one is where you can control the vents as well as the forward and rear defrost system. You've got a 12-volt DC adapter here. You've got controls for the heat for the passenger seat. It has a low and a high setting. You have a on-off switch that's located here. You've got your hazard lights, downhill assist, electronic stability control that you could turn on and off, which will turn off by itself when you're in 4 low. And you've got heat for the front driver's seat. And this is how you would control the 2 side mirrors, left and right. Here you've got your regular shifter for your park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Regular shifter that you see in every car. And then on the left-hand side is your 4-wheel drive shifter, which pulling down will give you your 4 high or your 4 low. On the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you've got cruise control, so on, off, and set. On the left-hand side, you have the menu system for the dash, as well as your compass setting and your phone and your voice control. The vehicle is equipped with Bluetooth. So you've got speakers here, and you've got you've got a microphone here, and you've got a couple of microphones in the back. On this right-hand side, you have the controls for the volume of the radio, and on the left-hand side on the back are how you would change the radio station or choose options in there. Further to the left of the steering wheel, you have your sway bar and your axle lock. Inside the armrest here, you've got another 12-volt connector, and you have a USB-A connector as well. And then on the exterior, you have the LED lighting package. That's going to give you that nice white light when you're going in the dark, driving down the roads. It makes for a really nice view. The vehicle's really nice to drive. It's a really great Jeep to drive. All right, so that is our 2017 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Rubicon that is for sale. If you'd like more detailed information and more pictures, we've got a link below where you can get all sorts of information about it. It's a great Jeep. It's in great shape. It's awesome for someone who wants to get started in Jeeping or maybe looking for a Jeep that you can make modifications to. It is a really, really great Jeep. And if you're coming down to Montana, or you're coming to visit Big Sky or Yellowstone, or all the way down to Jackson Hole, Wyoming, make sure you check out our website. Make your reservation now. We're accepting reservations for the 2019-2020 winter and summer seasons. Things are booking up quickly, so if you want a really unique adventure, visit our website, RockyMountainExpeditions.com. Make your reservation. It's also a great way if you have never been in a Jeep. It's a good introduction to see what it feels like. If we don't see you, we don't hear from you, we really hope we do, but we hope you have a great rest of your year. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll be putting up more information about Montana and Wyoming, places where you can visit. And if you're a Jeeper and you're looking for things, well, we'll be doing things for you as well. So hope to see you soon. Have a great, wonderful time. Subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.